So here's two more peacock eggs that have never hatched. This one is 33 days old. This one's 32 days old. They haven't shown any signs of pipping. When I candle them, it's not as dark as it should be inside. So I'm gonna crack them open and see what's inside of these two eggs. Let's start with April 27. I'm not killing it. Oof. Disgusting, I touched it. Okay, so this one had the beginning stages of an embryo, but it never even formed. This one's from the 28th, 32 days ago.
Wait.
Oh. Dang, this one actually...
Survived?
No, it didn't live. Died, but this is the most developed that we've had so far, but I don't know why it never even tried to come out. Sometimes they just don't make it. Formed guy. He's fully formed. He had both his wings. Well, I don't know if it's a he. But this baby, they just stopped dying or stopped leaving me. I don't know. But this gives me more hope that maybe I can eventually hatch some pea chicks. I don't know why there's all that blood in there. I'm gonna keep trying.